Alright, picture this. It's a chilly evening, the kind where the wind rattles the windows and you just want to curl up somewhere warm. Maybe you're wrapped in your favorite blanket, maybe you've got fuzzy socks on, and you're craving something rich, cozy, and just a little bit fun to lift your spirits. That's where my broccoli cheddar soup comes in. Only, today, we're making it in claymation. That's right, we're taking comfort food to a whole new, playful level. Imagine your kitchen, but everything is squishy, colorful, and full of personality. Yup, you heard me. Every broccoli floret and cheddar swirl, lovingly squished and sculpted by hand. It's a little bit of art, a little bit of cooking, and a whole lot of fun. So, let's dive in and get our hands a little messy. Clay style. First up, grab your clay carrots, onions, and garlic. Chop, chop, chop. Don't worry if your pieces aren't perfect. In fact, the more quirky and uneven, the better. That's the beauty of claymation. Imperfection is part of the charm. Into the clay pot they go. Sizzle them around. Imagine that sweet, savory aroma filling your kitchen, even if it's just in your imagination. The onions get soft, the garlic gets fragrant, and the carrots add a pop of color and sweetness. Next, it's time to add our star, bouncy, bright green broccoli. Break it into little clay trees. Don't worry if they're a bit lopsided, it all adds to the charm. Each floret is like a tiny tree, ready to soak up all that cheesy goodness. Now, sprinkle in a mountain of clay cheddar cheese. The more the better, right? I like to imagine the cheese raining down in slow motion, blanketing the veggies in a golden, melty layer. Give everything a good clay stir. Watch as the colors blend. Yellow cheddar melting into vibrant green broccoli, all swirling in a creamy clay broth. It's like a little edible masterpiece coming together right before your eyes. Speaking of broth, pour in some clay chicken or vegetable stock. Let it bubble and dance, clay style. The soup starts to come alive, thickening and swirling, promising a bowl full of comfort. I always like to toss in a pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, and, if I'm feeling wild, a hint of paprika. The spices swirl in, adding warmth and a little kick. You can even add a sprinkle of nutmeg for a subtle, nutty undertone. Trust me, your clay soup will thank you. It's practically smiling already, steam rising in happy little curls. Simmer everything together. This is where the magic happens. Real soup thickens. But in claymation, it's all about the illusion. Add a few sparkles or a swirl of animated steam for that extra magical touch. I like to mash some of the broccoli for that extra creamy texture. Then leave a few florets whole for a satisfying bite. It's the best of both worlds. Smooth and chunky, all in one spoonful. Now for my favorite part. Ladle that golden, gooey soup into a clay bowl. Watch it pour thick and luscious, promising every bite will be packed with flavor. Top with an extra sprinkle of cheddar, because honestly, there's no such thing as too much cheese. Let it melt just a little, so every spoonful is extra cheesy and delicious. Crumble a bit of clay bread on the side just for fun. Maybe add a pat of clay butter if you're feeling fancy. It's all about those little details that make the meal feel special. And that's it. The easiest, coziest broccoli cheddar soup you'll ever make. Whether it's in your real kitchen or a tiny clay world, it's a bowl of comfort, ready in minutes, and guaranteed to make you smile. So next time you need comfort food with a twist, remember this simple recipe. It's perfect for sharing with friends, or just treating yourself after a long day. It's funny how a few ingredients, real or clay, can create something so rich and heartwarming. Sometimes, the simplest things bring the most joy, especially when you add a little creativity. Thanks for hanging out with me and my wobbly clay veggies. Stay warm, get cooking, and I'll catch you next time. Until then, keep your kitchen cozy and your imagination even cozier.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.